Hello and welcome to the Mailer Lite Magic. My name is Ruthie Gray from RuthieGray.mom. Today we'll be talking about the final way to set up your email forms, and that is through the pop-up. I only have 2 pop-ups through MailerLite on my blog. That's because I use the hello bar a lot, and so I'm going to show you what I have right now. It's for my subscribers to RuthieGray.mom. I'll show you what it looks like. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I really enjoyed designing that because it was fun to design. And then they have the confirmation email and the confirmation thank you page. Okay. So if you want to create a form like that, you would go to pop-ups and create a pop-up. Let's name it hats for sale. Whoops, sale. Hats for sale. Anybody remember that book from your childhood? My kids used to love to read that at their grandma's house. Let's say I want to send it to bloggers, my blogger list. And save and continue. I have lots of lists. As you can see, I need to get rid of most of them. So here they are. This was obviously the one that I used, the side one. But you can use something like this or something like this. Let's just do, or here even is something simple. And it's a full screen. But I don't really like full screens. So let's do this. Let's select this. I think they're annoying. Sorry. Travel newsletter. So you could new destinations and special offers. So that's where you would say, what was the name of this again? I don't even remember now. Happy days are here. Again. Sign up today. And then background. I like the background actually. Title. Open Sans font family. I didn't ever show you that before, but there we go. There it is. Like say you want a Merryweather. And then the background. No. Let's say we do not want that picture there. Where is the picture at? That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. And, oh, that is it. Okay. Background image. The background color is gray, the big color around it. The background image. Let's say I wanted to put in my Truth Bites app. That doesn't really fit well because you can't see what I wrote there. But I could leave that there. Take this off. Take this title and text off. Completely. And then I could put, let's see, I could put a title. Well, I think the title has to stay where it is. Let's see. I was thinking I could put another title somewhere. Look at this though, the different ways you can do the form type. You could do that or that, but I like this the best. Let's see, so let's say I made my title part of this, or Truth Bites for Moms, and this is actually a free app. You can't really sign up for it for email, but I'm just giving you a for instance. And then let's say I want to show the input labels and confirmation checkbox. Oh, I like that. And then I'm trying to find, it looks like this one only has email on it. So I'm not sure why, but that's how this one is, I guess. And then the next one is the success, and you would say, take these out. And you would change this to say, oh, I don't know. Take me there. None of this is cohesive at all because I can't remember what my title is to begin with. So, haha. Anyway, done editing. And there's your pop-up. So let's preview the pop-up, and you can put wait 5 seconds, show when user scrolls to 50%, show before closing the page, any of those. Frequency, when do you want, how often do you want to show it to the same visitor? Visibility, hide on specific pages, whatever, and save and continue. There's the JavaScript if you need it. Can't talk. Can't talk. And then we would preview it. Let's preview it. There it is. Isn't that cute? Opt in to receive news and updates. All right. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. And that's how you do it. Confirmation email, confirmation thank you page. You design all those. And we are over and out. Ooh.